In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your ID on your Uber driver or Uber Eats account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your phone, tablet, or computer. Using Chrome can help make the process smoother, especially if the upload page needs full browser support. Once Chrome is open, go to the correct Uber website for your account type. If you use a driver account, go to the driver portal. If you use an Uber Eats delivery account, go to the Uber Eats portal for your profile. Make sure you sign in to the correct account before moving on, so the document gets attached to the right profile. After you're logged in, access your profile and open your account settings. This is where Uber stores your personal account information, including required verification details and any documents connected to your account. Take your time here and look carefully because the exact layout can vary slightly depending on your device or account type. From your account settings, click on Documents or Identity Verification. Either option will take you to the section where you can manage the ID files Uber needs in order to verify your identity. This step is important because Uber uses these documents to confirm that the account belongs to you and that your information matches their records. Now upload a clear, glare-free photo of your driver's license or state ID. Before you submit the image, check that the photo is easy to read and that all corners of the ID are visible. Try to place the ID on a flat surface with good lighting and avoid shadows, reflections, or blurry focus. If your image is too dark or shiny, the system may reject it automatically, which can delay approval. It also helps to make sure the text and photo on the ID are sharp and not cut off. Once the image has been uploaded, save your changes and submit the document for review. After that, all you need to do is wait. In most cases, automated approval can take up to 48 hours. During this time, avoid uploading multiple versions unless you're asked to do so, since repeated uploads can sometimes slow the process down. If everything is clear and valid, the document should be approved without any extra action. And that's it. That's how to upload your ID to your Uber driver or Uber Eats account quickly and correctly.